Hey everyone, it's Fat Guy Does Things here. Welcome to Fat Guy Tries. This is the first Fat Guy Tries we've done in quite a while. Not only that, but we are trying a Dairy Queen Blizzard. This is the Blizzard of the month for April of 2022. This is cotton candy, very apropos. We are approaching summertime. We're approaching fair season. When I think of fairs, I think of cotton candy as one of the ultimate carnival foods, maybe the ultimate carnival food. And yeah, this is pretty exciting. I'm glad to be back doing this. I've eaten a lot of ice cream during my hiatus from Fat Guy Does Things, but not on camera for a while. So why don't we go ahead and try this? Let me get you my first spoonful, as is customary. Look at that. It's maybe a little too much. So I don't know. You can see little bits of cotton candy there. Definitely has that cotton candy smell. It's like a light pink color to it. Why don't we go ahead and take our first bite out of this? Let's give it a try. Ooh. It's good stuff right there. Those little cotton candy specks that I was talking about, very much reminiscent of when you have like a big handful of cotton candy and you get those little specks of sugar, especially if you let it sit and melt in your mouth a little bit. I haven't had cotton candy in a while, but I can still remember the taste, and I can still remember those little crystals of sugar on your tongue. This is kind of what that's like, but obviously the ice cream, it's got that sweetness to it. Sweetness on top of sweetness. It's just a stack of sweetness, and it's really good. I really like it. Now, I think they've had this before. I might have even had it a while ago, but I gotta say, this is the first time I can remember really sitting down to eat it and thinking critically about it. And I gotta say, thumbs up to Dairy Queen for this cotton candy blizzard. It's a fine choice for the April blizzard of the month. Like I said, it's going to be near summertime. They actually have a new blizzard menu out. Now, this Dairy Queen I went to is a little smaller, and I don't think it has that. I think they're calling it like the VIP blizzard menu or something like that. And there's plenty of great flavors on that, and I will be trying them throughout this season. But just not now. Now, I know you may be thinking, well, April in Minnesota, I mean, it's still a little cold. Isn't it a little too cold for ice cream? You know what I think? I think that's quitters talk. It's never too cold for ice cream, especially for the fat guy. So once again, Dairy Queen, thumbs up for your cotton candy blizzard. This has been the April 2022 Blizzard of the Month review. I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank you all again for your patience. The new episodes, they just haven't been, the new videos I should say, haven't been coming like they had before. But I want you to know that this channel is alive and well, and I do plan on making more videos. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. We're up to 56 subscribers right now. That would have blown my mind when I started this channel 3.5 years ago. So any gesture of appreciation is more than welcome. But just knowing that people enjoy the videos is thanks enough for me. So that's going to do it for today. I'm going to go ahead and finish this blizzard off camera, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day.